say on a good day? You know, I like to ask questions that not a lot of people ask about their cars, and I like to show it to you guys. So make sure you subscribe and follow along, as I like to try to do this quite a bit. Anyway, that question today is, can you make more horsepower without putting anything on your car? Bone stock, with the help of Carolina Performance Dyno, who have agreed to humor me. They have a coyote specialist down there, and he is going to squeeze every ounce of horsepower out of this 5-liter V8 from America. So it was just on the dyno the other night, video right here. It made 400 wheel, which is a healthy number. I'm completely glad with. That's fine. So I think there's quite a bit more from factory though left, and there usually is. So without doing any kind of bolt-ons or modifications, let's see how much of a horsepower and torque gain we can get just from a good tune. Guys, if you like this video, if you like these videos, make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you go and follow me on my Instagram and all of the channels. This will be the first of many vlog videos getting ready to happen, as I'm getting ready to go on Tour Deluxe Rally. Welburn and Paul Tell All are getting ready to travel. So I hope you guys will stick around and enjoy these videos. Let's get down here to the dyno and let's see just what happens. Alright, so here at Carolina Performance Dyno, and like I said last time, it was 400 wheel horsepower, which is a healthy number for a coyote, but we do have the coyote specialist getting ready to work some magic on Dr. Nemo. And remember, this car is stock. There is no intakes, there's nothing that could add power. So they're humoring me here and showing me a few tricks, but let's see what a stock 2020 S550 Mustang can put out after a little bit of fiddling. Some of that stuff and this right here. And this is the only dyno anywhere around. To be a good car scene like there is around here, there just isn't a whole lot of specialty stuff, you know. But the quality that Robbie and Scott and their whole team, the quality that they put out is well known around here. How long have you been here? 5 years? 5 years, and word of mouth around here goes crazy for them. So, you know, we might not make any gains, but from factory, usually there is, you know, 20-30 horsepower left over that just because of emissions and stuff like that, they try to, you know, factory can't put it out like that. And which gives us, you know, racers and tuners and drag racers and drifters and gearheads the perfect opportunity to break the rules, which we all love to do. Let's get it strapped down and get it ready. You know, on the Tour Deluxe Rally, which is this is the very beginning of that series. There's going to be McLarens, there's going to be Lamborghinis, so poor little Mustang is going to be outclassed, but it'll be all right. What'd that make?
416.
416?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the baseline then? Or have y'all already touched it?
That's with the tune.
That's with the tune?
Shows the E gains. We ain't done.
Yeah, right. Nice. 16 horsepower right off the bat. Like I said, goal is for 20, but 16 horsepower first time they touch it. That's pretty crazy. So we got 426 is our highest so far. That's 26 horsepower over factory. So factory, blue line, this red line is this last time. So without putting any parts, anything, you can see, and you can see the torque curve and the power curve is linear and keeps climbing when the factory falls right here. So that's gonna feel like a big game. Okay, so now I've got a dyno sheet. 50 torques. That's the magic number. So what am I supposed to do with this now? All of y'all dyno rats who live on these things. Like, am I legally bound by car community rules to keep this in my wallet, or can it just stay in my glove box? Like, I know that once your car has a dyno sheet, you have to keep it on your person. Like, no, it didn't make. I bet you it didn't make. Nah, dude, there ain't no way it made. Alright, so next day, and I've actually had time to take my little boy to school and go run some of my stores. So I've had a little time to drive it, go through some of the modes, and you know, I'm not gonna say you can feel that 26 horsepower, but you can feel that 50 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, it's amazing. It really does. It woke the car up and it keeps it awake longer. It's like, I don't know, the opposite of NyQuil for cars. For 500 bucks, which is about what you're gonna pay at any dyno shop for, you know, a good tune. And these, you know, Robbie and Scott, you know, these guys know Coyote motors like the back of their hand. So I'm completely happy with the price, completely happy with, you know, it's still just like a stock car, just has a little bit more grunt. Helps me, you know, just for those hilly areas and pulling out in the traffic, just helps me to see, just helps me to exploit gaps a little bit better. I can't thank them enough. Can't thank y'all enough for watching these videos, guys. Make sure you subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you guys the next day. Will probably be the first day of the rally.